The Beats Pill is back. Let's go and open it up. So this actually just came out and we are really excited about it. We had the older Beats Pill, which we used a lot. And look at this packaging. See, look at this is the lanyard that it comes with. Wow. It's actually really nice. We've got the buttons on the top here.
Oh, wow.
It feels soft on the side here as well. What else it comes with? We got some of the instruction, USB-C to USB-C wire here, and this is the Beats Pill. It's actually a lot heavier than I was expecting. On the back, you have the USB-C port, and on the top, you have a pairing button, you have the power button over here, you have the volume button as well too, and you can make calls on this as well, so it's actually pretty nice. The back is kind of like a really soft feeling material. You have the lanyard here too with the Beats branding, and honestly, it's actually a really cool speaker. I do wish it had spatial audio on it. That's actually really loud.
Oh, you need to.
This is loud. Wow. All right, first impressions for the Beats Pill. The sound quality is actually really good. It sounds pretty awesome. It definitely sounds better than the HomePod Minis. And for a Bluetooth speaker at $150, this is pretty much a steal. The quality is so good. And if we got another one of these, we can actually make them into a stereo pair. So we're really happy with this so far.
I really like the color of it. This is so trendy.
Yeah, this speaker is gonna be really popular, I think. It has great quality sound. It looks awesome. It's really sleek. The lanyard is also really cool. It's also waterproof, has great battery life, USB-C if you wanna connect your phone to it too and charge it. This is a really good speaker, so I'm excited for a full review that I'll be posting soon, so stay tuned for that.